Hey cousins, just a quick video. I'm going to show you guys what I got for my birthday. My birthday was March 10th. Team Pisces. If you are Pisces, drop the sign down below. Okay, let me show you what I got. Okay, my cousin, she gave me a Sephora gift card, my cousin Ebony. So this is what I bought with my gift card. This is the Sol de Janeiro and the fragrance. This is the Balm Dia Bright. I got the cream. Got the body spray and the body wash. It smells so good, y'all. I cannot wait to wear this. The fragrance is very soft and light, so cute. And also got a couple of lip chats from Sephora, the moisturizing lip balm, I'm sorry, and the, what is this, got it in a lychee, I think that's how you pronounce it. And what is this, the cherry series. I might be pronouncing stuff all wrong, but I love these lip balms, so very moisturizing. Okay, the next item that I got, I had got a Amazon gift card from my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law, Shatora and Aubrey. I ended up getting the Yawer perfume. Now this was a blind buy, because I've been seeing it all around and I wanted to smell it. I never smelled it before. I ended up getting this one. It smells so good. And I want the pink one also, so good. So thank y'all. And my friend Sequoia, she bought me these cute Tory Burch earrings from Neiman. Like, how cute are these? Super cute. Okay, those are super cute. I cannot wait to wear those. Can't wait to wear those to work. I'm a corporate baddie now, so yeah. Gotta look good every day, all day. And last but not least, I had to treat myself, so I ended up getting me a new. I got this case from Amazon also, and I love it. It's very cute and sleek. And yeah, I want to thank everybody that sent cash apps. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all the phone calls, the texts, and everything. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me and like, comment, subscribe to everything that I post. Mwah.